I'm going to be repairing this watch today. I'm going to give you a step-by-step process on it. Now, before I start, I like to have a look over it. Initially, what I can see here on the front, is a hairline crack down across the dial. The case itself is typical 1930s silver case. So to turn it over, there is also an engraving here, and it sort of says to Dad, and it's dated 1973. Fairly typical. You can see that on a lot of watches. Now, as I open up the case back into the movement, now what surprises me here is the movement itself is Smith's from the 1950s. So at this point, you're sort of thinking, is this a marriage? Is this an original watch? Now, I then go to have a closer look at the hallmark. Now, hallmarks, we'll do a clearer picture of this in a few moments, but you've got the line giving the quality of the silver, and then you've got the anchor here, which is for the Birmingham Assay Office, and then on here you've then got the letter stamp, and that's giving it as 1953. Additionally, on this one there's also another mark here. Now this is of Queen Elizabeth II, that's during her coronation, 1953. So this is a commemorative watch of that period. You can sort of see the entire watch is now taken apart. The mainspring here, that is going to have to be replaced. It's tired, it's old, and it's too small. It's incredibly dirty. So before this actually goes into the ultrasonic cleaning machine, watch cleaning machine, this will be cleaned by hand. All the pivots will be pegged out, and it will be chalk brushed. And hopefully inside the next half hour to 45 minutes, I'll start assembling.